Today I'm going to look at two Inno64 models in a Bruce Lee livery, and that's because of the 50 years celebrating of Bruce Lee. And here it says 1973 2023 is Bruce Lee 50 years old. Unfortunately, he is no more. Rest in peace. I believed he died in 1973 and he was born in 1940, if I'm right. He's a true martial artist and so much more. He's also an actor, film director. And if you haven't heard about him, please check him out because he's a true legend. And you definitely have to watch one of his movies. Okay, let's start with this one right here. They're actually both Nissan Skyline GTR R. Oh no, this is an R33 and this is an R32. Really nice artwork here on this package. Here we get some information, a first frame if you want to read it. Yeah, Bruce Lee, image, likeness, and all related, blah 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 blah. Really nice dragon here. As you can see, still in the plastic. So let's open this. Let's get a knife. There we go. And we can see it's in cooperation with Tiny Hong Kong. So it's a collab between, where is it? Inno64 and Tiny. Probably because one of them has the license of Bruce Lee. Because I know Tiny did a lot of more models with Bruce Lee on it. Even a Boeing 747, if I'm right. So it comes in a nice display case. Okay, let's put some extra light on, switch to another camera so we can have a closer look. Is that the autograph of Bruce Lee on the license plate? I like that. Really nice front, by the way. Yeah, we also got the autograph of Bruce Lee. Nice with the dragon on the hood. Rubber tires. I see a brake disc and claw. I like that. I think property of Bruce Lee. Nice back, silver exhaust, lanced rear lights, heating in the back window, spoiler, and a right-hand steering. Let's have a look here in the interior. Great interior. No color details, but it looks really good. Or do we have some color details? Yeah. I think on the dashboard behind the steering wheel. Let's have a look. Yeah. I like that. Okay, let's take it off the base because I'm really curious if it is a metal base or a plastic base. Let's hope metal. But I think plastic. Yep. No. No, it's a metal base. Oh, I like that. And a silver color on the exhaust. Good spinning wheels, rolling wheels. Yeah, as you can see. Some of you think that is really important. As you think, so shall you become. Wow. Okay, very cool model. And here we have another one, the R32. Again, really nice artwork. Got the same dragon here. And this is also a collab with a Tiny. Let's open this up. There we go. Okay, also autograph on the license plate, lens, the front lights. Also a nice dragon here on the hood. Bruce Lee, be water, my friend. Be like water, yes. Yeah, Bruce Lee had a lot of wise quotes. Windscreen wiper molded here in the glass. We've got heating. And yes, again, we have, let's put some light in it. Where's the light? Where is the light? We can need a brighter light. Oh, here we got much more colors on the dashboard. Here in the back, it's just a black interior. But we don't have that on this one. Oh. Or do I miss that? No, I think something went wrong in the factory, because I think it's a little bit strange that this one doesn't have color details here in the middle of the dashboard. And this one does. Again, we got a brake disc and a brake claw. And I also have to check if when the wheels are rolling, if the brake claw stays on its place. Yep, there we go. And here we have a plastic base. Strange. And the wheels aren't rolling that good. But this one is not rolling at all. Yeah, a little bit. And the disc and the brake claw will stay on its place. Interesting that we have a different quality here. Why not both a metal base? Really strange. The yellow one also feels a lot heavier. Big intercooler here on the white one with Bruce Lee on it. I like that detail. Okay, I have something more. This is the 32 and this is the 33. Yes. Because I have also some Bruce Lee figures right here. It is from the brand More Art. And also still in the package. Let's see if I can open it. There we go. Fist of Legends. Okay, here we got a card with some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Some gum right here. Let's see if I can open this. There's a little bit of tape right here. And I do it like this. Yeah. There we go. So here we have one figure. Hi. Dish. Dish. Ish, 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 ish. Sorry. Okay, then we have another one right here. Yeah, it looks really cool. They didn't paint any eyes or mouth, and I think that's better, especially when it's produced in large numbers. Most of the time it won't come out that good. Here with the Ninchaku, be like water. And the last one. Okay, now I'm going to make an interesting thumbnail. And I will show you the results. So this is what I made for the thumbnail. So the thumbnail is going to be something like this. And I hope you like it. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget, thumbs up. You really helped me with that. And I'll see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.